The apexmaker X1 is an industrial-grade 3D printer that uses a 16 inches 8K LCD screen to achieve high-resolution prints. It is currently in the pre-order stage on Kickstarter, with a pledge of $3,999 for the early bird special. The printer is expected to ship in December 2023. Here are some of the key features of the apexmaker X1. 16 inches 8K LCD screen for high-resolution prints. Automatic resin leveling. Automatic print bed cleaning. HEPA filter for dust-free printing. Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring and control. Compatible with a variety of resins. The apexmaker X1 is a powerful and versatile 3D printer that is ideal for professional and industrial use. It is capable of printing high-resolution models with fine details, and it is easy to use and maintain. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.